Meet Lily. Hi, Lily. Hi, sweetheart. She's just laying around. You want to get down on the bed and play? Hey, little girl. Hey, sweetie. Huh? Hi. Are you chilling? Here, get down. You want to play with your brother? He's coming. You have to show your mommy that you know how to run around and play like a wild kitty. Hi. Hi, baby. Oh, hi. What are you doing? Go get her. Go get her. Are you investigating? Huh? Huh? What are you doing?
The lighting in here is making them look orange.
Hi, kiddos. Oh, you're such a handsome boy. Hi, Lily. What you doing? Lily's checking out Cheyenne. She's our older Abyssinian. Oh, Cheyenne's gonna give her a bath. Hi, precious. Oh.
She's trying to nurse her, see her? Cheyenne's not gonna let her.
You can't nurse on her. Here, go play with your brother. No. No food right now. She doesn't have any milk. She hasn't had kittens in 10 years. Hey, kiddos. Hey. They love purring. Their favorite pastime these days is purring. They just run to you and you start petting them and their motor goes on. Come here, Lily. Play with me. Hey, play with me.
This is gonna take a long time to upload. I better start another one. That's Sassafras that just jumped up on the bed.
Lily, where are you going?